Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Ford F-150. Top features include power front seats, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.